Alright, here's my brand new alarm system. As you can see, I can arm it manually through the touch panel. Stay means if I'm here, I can arm it so nobody fucks with me, or away, so if somebody tries to fuck with me while I'm away, the shit will go off. Alright, but check this out. I got an app right here on my phone where I could manually arm or disarm it. So since I'm here, let me arm it. Check this out.
System armed, stay.
I could be anywhere in the country, doesn't matter where I'm at, and I just use the app and I can arm and disarm it anytime I want. So check this out. I'm gonna disarm it using the app. Watch this.
System disarmed, ready to arm.
Yeah. Motherfuckers thought I was playing. I ain't playing. So yep, there you go. I've been fucking with this all day. And also too, got two HD cameras, both 1080p. Watching over my car, watching over the house. And there you go.